Said that's my evil twin, shot snapping at the bin. Nine holes only wins, trying to put them in a bin. Cause I ate the beef for din, go home and swap the sim. Fuck around with the gang.
Alright everyone, welcome back to the YouTube. Today's video is going to be a mashup, well, so far anyway. We're going to be pulling the seats out of the Senator, which you're sitting on top of right now. We're going to pull the driver's seat out and the rear seats because they need to be re-stitched from what I showed you guys last video. Hopefully found a guy, it's a mate's mate who's apparently pretty old, who's been doing it for a long time, and he's going to re-stitch them up for around 500 bucks or a bit more. It's a lot better. I got quoted 3 grand from some other place that it's normally 4 grand because he reckons the seats need to be fully redone, and I'm like, for that price I can go buy a full custom interior, so I'm not doing that. Hopefully they turn out good though. So yeah, got to pull the seats out of the Senator. We'll do that now. Then one of the boys is going to come over. Actually, a couple of the boys are going to come over. We're going to manual swap a VU SS Ute. Hopefully that all goes to plan. He's got the gearbox, got all other bits and pieces, but it's sort of been a mission to get all the parts. So see how that goes. Hey, this YouTube is going crazy as well. I think we're at like 3,500 or 3.7K views, and it's been like a day and a half, which is might not be huge numbers for other people, but that is massive for me. I've got to pull the Senator out now. I've actually got to go, I could probably just roll it back. I don't have a battery in it because I had to take this, the VS battery. So we might, I'll just roll it back and pull the handbrake and hopefully not go through the fence. So I don't really want to be sketched like that with the Senator. That's stuff I do with the VS. Not that the VS ain't any good, but working with a lot of dollars now. Got to grow up. Utes there. Keen has to show you guys what's in store with this. Right, I'll show you guys what we're working with right now. Has to get re-stitched. Obviously gonna need some more foam in here. Then on the rear, we're looking at right here. Not too phased about that, but I'd like that fixed. All the stitching on the rear here is mint. Besides, you can sort of see up here, the stitching's come undone on the back up here. For now, I'm just gonna set up the camera, do some time lapses and pull it out. It's pretty straightforward. I'm not a tutorial channel anyway. Pull the driver's seat out. My mate just called me and said they're on the way. He's got a tow truck bringing the ute. Came out pretty easy, all pretty mint. Obviously needs a good tidy in here, but it's all pretty good. And I've got to pull both cars out of the shed, and then we'll hopefully be getting stuck into this ute, and I might do a few time lapses of that as well. We just dropped Liam's car off. So this thing should be a bit of an animal when it's manual. I don't know what diff gears are in it, but it's canned. So. Hey everyone, little update from when I last filmed, probably like 2 days ahead now. We had a bit of dramas with the conversion. So first up, we didn't have clutch bolts, had to find some of them. Car also didn't get here till like lunchtime, so by the time we figured out we needed clutch bolts because we were doing other stuff, it was about 6 or 7 at night. Had to go get a pilot bearing remover tool. As my one broke, that ended up working. They got that just in time, the boys. Me and Liam went to put the box up last night. The box is on, but we went to put it proper up with the cross member and realised the cross member was wrong. We've got a different one now, looks to be the goods. So this is what we're working with right now. We can find some gearbox bolts in my collection up here in low light mode. I don't know what it looks like around me because I've got a light on me, but I'll probably try run without the light. We're about to go for a little send.
These come in extra large.
Belzer. Good few days working on this ute. Took a bit longer than expected. We had a few problems with some aftermarket parts, and we didn't have parts and just usual stuff you'd expect on it. It's raining at the minute, but took it for a little spin last night. It's pretty sketchy the setup we got at the minute.
Listen, she's running, she's a bit smoky in here. Listen, we're high as f*** off exhaust fumes. Look at this, center bearings.
We're moving, buddy.
Yeah, no clutch. No, she's a bit smoky in here, hot box. No. See what she does. With a fire extinguisher here, just in case.
I reckon you could drive her home.
Reckon?
So what we're working with at the moment, dash is still fully apart because Liam wants to redo the dash and it's all broken, so I didn't pull that dash out. There's still wires and stuff, but for the most part, we have a working gearbox. Ah. Tough as. Sounds pretty good, eh? It's my first time sort of hearing it. Drives pretty good. Obviously need to tune now that it's manual. ECU still thinks it's an auto. Otherwise, wired it up. It's running, driving. It's going to be a lot better when the dash is better. Also, the exhaust is hitting on the cross member on the box, so we are definitely going to have to do something about that. We had endless troubles with the slave on the pedal, so it's going to need a bleed and a circlip put it back on. I was out till like 10:30 last night trying to get it perfect. I think when I get back on Sunday, I'll pull the rest of the interior out of the Senator, which I haven't had a chance to do with work and doing that ute. Hopefully you guys enjoyed those videos I found on the internet of people sending it on the mountain. So yeah, anyway, catches. Me done for the day. Put all the interior back in just for now. Obviously needs a good clean and that. Probably gonna keep chipping away in the arvos, maybe do a bit more tomorrow arvo. Hopefully I can drop the seats off this week. The guys hopefully gonna be able to hand stitch them and they'll come up a treat. Obviously put them back in, but I just wanted to give it a real good clean before that sort of happens, and while I have a little bit of time right now. Door cards are looking real mint. This one hasn't had a full clean, but as you can tell, it's come up pretty good. And then got a little hand carpet cleaner coming as well, so I want to give the carpets a real good like sort of carpet clean. It's not going to be a professional job, but it should do the trick at least. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, sort of a mashup of what I sort of get up to week, but we'll keep the videos coming. We'll have heaps more videos coming of all different stuff. Let me know what you guys want to see. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and there's going to be so much more to come on this thing, so hope you enjoyed.